The name Circulux, inspired by the Latin root circulus, circle, combined with lux light, captures the essence of our design, a structure that is dynamic, standardized, and illuminated by natural principles. The building's circular geometry is not only iconic but deeply functional. It provides the structural logic for a prefabricated modular system that simplifies manufacturing, accelerates construction, and enables adaptability. Located at 2 Implexa Parade, directly adjacent to Tallawong Metro Station, a critical transport hub within Sydney's northwest growth area. The inspiration for Circulux stems from the exchange by Kenga Kuma and Associates, a celebrated precedent that redefines circular architecture through its spiraling facade and fluid inclusive design. From a universal design perspective, Circulux ensures spatial equity and inclusive access, embedding ramps, wide circulation hoops, and multi-sensory cues as part of its spatial DNA, offering every user a seamless experience regardless of ability. The entire Circulux is designed for a hybrid delivery, factory-manufactured shell and interior elements integrated with site-specific adjustments, minimizing construction time and waste. Circulux introduces the illusion of motion through a layered dynamic facade that wraps around the building with prefabricated lightweight modules that shift in rhythm across the elevation. Circulux's design principles combine commercial and residential functions with shared community areas and universal design to foster inclusivity, accessibility, and social integration. Through prefabricated modular construction, passive solar orientation, and integrated green infrastructure, the design supports speed, flexibility, well-being, and long-term sustainability. The Circulux project applies sustainability principles through its solar insolation analysis, ensuring optimal daylight access and rooftop energy harvesting. Its aerodynamic form and central oculus enhance natural lighting and passive ventilation, reducing energy use and improving indoor comfort. Wind flows uniformly around the circular structure, confirming its aerodynamic efficiency through even deflection and minimal turbulence. The rounded stepped form reduces wind resistance and guides streamlines smoothly along the facade, enhancing passive ventilation and comfort. The Circulux project integrates innovative, sustainable materials such as self-healing concrete, prefabricated concrete panels, and Accoya wood to enhance durability, efficiency, and environmental performance across its 6-story design. Responsive elements like smart glazing, electrochromic glass, and a parametric kinetic facade further improve indoor comfort, reduce energy use, and support long-term operational adaptability. The Circulux project limits embodied carbon to just 12% of total emissions, showing the impact of its modular prefabricated systems in reducing waste and manufacturing impacts. With an annual energy use intensity of 171.11 kilowatt hours per square meter per year, it outperforms typical multifamily buildings in New South Wales, reflecting strong operational efficiency. The Circulux modular system follows 4 integrated steps. Step 1 establishes a spiral-based geometry to guide circulation and modular arrangement. Step 2 applies porous modularity through repeatable units that enhance airflow, daylight, and spatial flexibility. Step 3 develops a standardized layout aligned with the spiral for efficient construction and inclusive access. Step 4 integrates an adaptive kinetic facade with responsive panels that adjust to environmental conditions, improving energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Circulux uses a smart kinetic facade system integrated with Revit Dynamo and BMS logic, enabling solar tracking panels to adaptively manage daylight shading and PV energy generation, therefore enhancing thermal comfort, energy efficiency, and interior well-being. The digital workflow in Circulux integrates coordinated Revit models for electrical, mechanical, and plumbing systems. These are combined into a federated MEP model to enable clash detection, streamline coordination, and ensure efficient multidisciplinary design integration. This construction program uses a kit of parts approach based on RIBA stages and DfMA principles, where CLT and precast modules are prefabricated, transported, and quickly assembled on site. Designed for the circular economy, it reduces waste, shortens build time, and enables future disassembly and reuse for low-carbon, cost-efficient delivery. Circulux is not just a building, it is a complete design response to the complex challenges of housing in growing cities. It merges prefabrication, environmental intelligence, digital technology, and universal accessibility into a scalable solution. Developed by the Axion Team, this project sets a benchmark for what housing in the 21st century should be: inclusive, adaptable, sustainable, and beautifully designed. Circulux presents a powerful statement about the potential of architecture to shape healthier, smarter, and more resilient urban futures. Thank you.